I made one decision that changed my entire life, and it didn't feel exciting. It actually felt uncomfortable. Most people avoid making the decision. They stay in the same thinking phase and nothing changes. I almost stayed there too. And if I did, I wouldn't be living the life I have right now. So I was sitting outside with my son the other day, and I randomly told him I wanted to make plantain donuts. Now, if you know me, I love plantains. I eat them all the time, literally with every single meal. So I'm like, I'm about to try this. I saw a reel on Instagram and they looked really good, and I wanted to create my own plantain donuts. And he looks at me and says, yeah, no thanks. I'd rather try the original because yours is not going to look or taste the same. And that moment right there, it clicked. Most people don't want new. They want what they already believe will work. They want familiar. And it's not just him. He's always been like that. If he eats something and he loves it, he only wants it from that one person or that particular place because he knows what to expect. It's going to be the same recipe, the same experience, the same result, right? And so I told him, you can like both. I can make it and you might like it, and maybe you'll try the original and you might like that too. It doesn't have to be the same. It doesn't have to be the same to be good. But most people don't think that way. Most people think if it's not proven, I don't want it. And that right there, that's why they stay stuck. And if we're going to be honest, that might be you. You say you want more, you say you want freedom, you say you want to make more money, but you're still watching instead of doing, you're still researching instead of deciding, and you're waiting instead of moving, waiting for the perfect moment, even though there's no such thing. So you want something different, but you keep choosing what's familiar. So I want to take you back, just back to before I was doing brows. I was a cocktail waitress. And on the outside, I might have looked fine. It looked like I was making good money and I had a great job. A lot of people say, like, oh my God, that is such a great job to have. But I was missing everything. I was missing time with my son. I was missing moments I could never get back. I was trying to schedule life around a job that didn't care about me. And I remember thinking, I don't want this anymore. I don't want it right now. Like I was not enjoying my life at all. And I wanted to make a change immediately. Not later, not one day. I literally was done. Eventually, I had my breaking point with that job. And the thing is, I didn't have a perfect plan. I didn't know exactly how it was going to work. I didn't know what I was going to do. Um, and I didn't know what my skills were. I just knew that I needed to make a change and I was ready to invest in myself. Eventually, I found out about microblading. I did talk about this in another video, but I came across microblading and it fascinated me. I got my brows done. I fell in love with the process. So I took my first brow class, and that decision changed everything for me. That decision changed the trajectory of my life. It was the best decision I ever made. But let me be real with you because it was not glamorous at all. Okay? The first 6 months, nothing worked. Nothing was happening. I had no clients, no money. The money was getting lower and lower from my savings, and the pressure was building. I took the class and I really did not know what to do after that. I didn't know how to get clients. I didn't know how to advertise myself. I knew nothing about social media. I knew nothing about running a business, let alone making money from a business. And I remember thinking, did I just make a mistake? Did I just waste all this money on a class, on a skill that I'm not going to be able to make a return on? And that's honestly the moment most people quit, when they are up against a wall and they just don't know what to do. But looking back now, I wasn't struggling those first 6 months. I always looked at it as a struggle and nothing was happening. But actually, everything I was doing in those 6 months was what I needed to build a 7-figure business. I was learning. And because of that one decision to take that one class, I was able to become a seven-figure brow artist with no employees, have full control of my time, and the most important part, I was present for my son. I was the mom that I wanted to be. I was able to raise him in the way I wanted to, the way that mattered to me. It wasn't just about the money. It was about the freedom. And I know what it feels like to want something so bad and not know how to get there. To feel like, where do I even start? Who do I trust? What if I mess this up? I've been there. I've had all those questions. All of them. So if you're in that place right now, it's not because you don't have enough information. I'm sure you do. It's because you haven't made a decision yet. And that's exactly what I help you do. Not just learn, but execute. If you want help getting clear on your next move, you can book a one-on-one coaching call with me. This is for you if you feel stuck, you don't know where to start, or you've started but nothing is working. I'll help you figure out exactly what to do next, and if you're ready to go all in, I also offer one-on-one in-person mentorship where I teach you the skill, the business, and how to actually get paid doing brows. The links for those will be in the description. Remember, you don't need another video. You don't need more time. You need a moment where you decide that you're done staying where you are. Because the life you want, it's on the other side of that decision. Now go do something your future you would be proud of. My name is Amina, and I will see you tomorrow.